Understanding, vice versa. Enhance your English expression. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a really interesting topic to dive into. The phrase, vice versa. This is a term you might have heard quite often, but what does it actually mean? And how can you use it in your everyday English conversations? Stick with us, and by the end of this video, you'll be using vice versa like a pro. Let's start with the basics. The term vice versa is a Latin phrase that has been fully adopted into English. It means that the reverse of what you have said is also true. In simpler terms, it's like saying the other way around. For example, if you say, "I like peanut butter," and my sister does too, you could use vice versa to mean your sister likes peanut butter as well. It's a handy way of avoiding repetition by not having to say the whole sentence again. Understanding where phrases come from can be really helpful in remembering how to use them. Vice versa has been a part of the English language for a long time, and it comes straight from Latin where vice means in place of, and versa is derived from vertere, meaning to turn. So, it's literally about turning things around or swapping them. Now, let's look at how you can use vice versa in everyday conversations. It's used to express that the opposite of a statement is also true without having to say the whole thing again. When you say, "You can borrow my book," and "I can borrow yours," vice versa, you are offering the exchange in both directions. If you're describing mutual feelings, you might say, "I trust you," and vice versa, to imply that the trust is mutual. Remember, vice versa is always about the flip side of an interaction or situation. A common mistake learners make is using vice versa when there's no actual reversal implied. For example, "I like ice cream," and vice versa doesn't make sense because ice cream can't like you back. So, use vice versa only when the reversal or opposite scenario is logical. And there you have it, folks. Now you know what vice versa means and how to use it correctly in a sentence. It's a great phrase for making your English more efficient and sophisticated. We hope you enjoyed today's lesson and found it useful. Don't forget to practice what you've learned, and of course, vice versa. Let what you've learned today enhance your practice. Until next time, keep learning and keep practicing. Goodbye for now.